Ever wondered how to keep your garden thriving in winter? Today we're diving into the world of winter gardening. Our aim? To arm you with tips and tricks to maintain a lush, healthy garden even when the mercury drops. Discover the secrets of a flourishing winter garden right here. The first step to a successful winter garden starts way before the first frost hits. It's all about preparation, tidying up fallen leaves and debris, adding a protective layer of mulch to shield the soil and roots from frost. Remember, a well-prepared garden is half the battle won. Plant selection is crucial when it comes to winter gardening. Opt for plants that can withstand the winter chill, such as hardy evergreens, hellebores, and winter vegetables like kale and Brussels sprouts. Each plant has its own unique light, water, and temperature requirements, so be sure to consider these factors when choosing your winter garden residence. Will it be a sun-loving hellebore or a shade-friendly evergreen? The choice is yours. Choose wisely, and your garden will reward you with winter blooms and harvests. Winter care doesn't mean hibernation for the gardener. In fact, it's a time to be vigilant. Watering, for instance, should be done sparingly since plants use less in the cold. To protect your green friends from frost, consider using a frost cloth or moving potted plants indoors. Also, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. They may be less active but not entirely dormant. With the right care, your garden can be a winter wonderland. Winter gardening might be a challenge, but it's definitely not impossible. Remember, success rests on 3 key pillars: thorough preparation, selecting suitable plants, and diligent winter care. With these tips, you can transform your garden into a winter wonderland, brimming with life amidst the frost. So don't let the cold deter you. Embrace it, nurture it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening!